Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install an Ubuntu operating system on a Windows 11 with the help of a virtual machine. So let's start. So we will go on any browser. We will click on the first link. Okay, here it is. We will click on Windows host. It will give us a folder for us to save it, but I have it already, so I'm not going to download it back. Okay, and we will search now for the Ubuntu operating system. So Ubuntu download, and we will click on the first link, and here we go to the file. So it's about 5.8 gigabyte and 5.3 gigabyte. Okay, I have it also. So once we have our virtual machine in our file, we can then start the work. Okay, my virtual machine is in French. We write the name of the virtual machine we want to install. So it can be a Windows operating Kali Linux or or Ubuntu. So okay, here we write the name of our virtual machine. So we're actually creating our virtual machine. My name, okay, my password, okay, save. Okay, once we are done here, okay, here we select our memory. So I'll go for a 4 gig RAM. So you can increase it according to how big the operating system is and how fast you want it to operate. So I'll choose 3 processor. Okay, here I'm selecting my disk, my virtual disk size. Okay, here we have finished creating our virtual machine. Now we will install Ubuntu in our virtual machine. Okay, here it is. Okay, here we will start. We'll click on okay. So here I'll enter my password. Mhm. Login automatically, no. You require the login. Let me just close this. Okay. So continue. Okay, once the installation is done, we can then log into our virtual machine. Okay, and I enter. Okay. Okay, so here's the okay, here we skip. Do you want to save send system before to go? No, we will skip, yeah. No, don't send. Okay, no, don't send. Okay, so here is the Ubuntu interface. So the Ubuntu have been installed successfully on the virtual machine. Now we are running an Ubuntu operating system on a Windows 11. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to assemble a central processing unit step by step. So let's get started. So here's my working space with all the components on it already. So it is very important, the first thing I do is to touch the ground to discharge myself and to prevent damaging the components. I'm installing a standard ATX motherboard with a 4-core CPU. I'm adding some thermal paste to prevent for better isolation. Connecting the CPU fan. Mounting the CPU sink and attaching it with mounting mechanisms. Connecting the RAM according to the dual configuration of the motherboard. Connecting the power supply unit. to the motherboard, attaching the power supply unit to the motherboard, connecting the 4-pin power connector, mounting the hard disk drive, and connecting the SATA cables. Connecting the DVD lector, attaching all SATA cables to the hard disk drive, the DVD lector, and the motherboard. Screwing the power supply unit to the case, so taping the cables for better ventilation and ensuring all components are well connected and all cables are well attached to prevent hardware damage or any issue or short circuit. Thank you for watching. That was all from